Welcome to Hydrogen Fuel Saver. Are you tired of constantly worrying about the increasingly high costs of fuel for your car, van, or truck? Are you confused about which way to go? The truth is that owning a modern car isn't easy. Here at HFS, we have the answer to your problems. We've integrated a system that uses the single most abundant and cleanest gas in the universe to power our hydrogen-on-demand generators. The HFS generators work by using the electricity from your car's battery to split water molecules from a tank that we provide into hydrogen and oxygen. This hydrogen is then mixed with the fuel in the engine, creating a more efficient burn and reducing fuel consumption by an average of 35%. Normally, gasoline enters the combustion chamber where it is ignited to produce power. However, the gasoline does not burn efficiently, and sometimes you'll lose as much as 40%. The result is that unburnt fuel and pollutants exit through the exhaust. But oxy-hydrogen burns at nearly 100% efficiency, so when it is mixed with your car's fuel, it reduces emissions and fuel consumption. Combustion efficiency is increased, horsepower is increased, and carbon deposits are cleaned away, all helping your car's engine to run cleaner and greener. And if saving a huge amount of money wasn't enough, the HFS system also dramatically reduces harmful emissions. It's your very own, low-cost, hybrid engine. At HFS, we make it easy for you to make the switch to a cleaner and hugely more cost-efficient solution. When you get to the checkout in our store, you'll have a choice of whether to either have us send a full HHO kit to you, for you to fit yourself, or whether you'd prefer us to arrange an engineer to come and fit for you. If you think you'd prefer HFS to arrange installation, then we'll safely fit the generator and the associated electronics all at a place that suits you, whether that's work or home. Once the new hydrogen-on-demand system is fitted under the bonnet, you won't know it's there. You just fill up normally with fuel, petrol or diesel, and watch your MPG go up and up. You can even choose at checkout to have a brand new MPG data logger for your dashboard to watch the results. After that, you can sit back and relax. You don't have to do anything, aside from topping up the water in the generator once every few months, to make sure it's running efficiently. At checkout you can also choose a low water system pack, that gives a warning light on the dash to let you know when the system needs to be refilled. However, if you don't fill the generator again immediately with distilled water, then there's no need to worry. The system will be locked, and you just won't be producing hydrogen, and so won't be saving as much fuel anymore. It's perfectly safe, and the system will be sat just waiting for you to find the 2 minutes you need to start saving money again. It's also worth bearing in mind that traditional petrol and diesel engines emit harmful pollutants such as carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter. However, when using a hydrogen-on-demand generator, these emissions are greatly reduced, and sometimes by up to 80%. In fact, the only byproduct of using hydrogen as fuel is water vapor, making it an incredibly environmentally friendly hybrid alternative. Not only are our hydrogen-on-demand generators better for the environment, but they're also incredibly cost-effective. You won't need to wait forever to get a return on your small investment. You'll see a significant decrease in fuel expenses immediately and, usually within a matter of weeks, the investment in an HFS hydrogen-on-demand generator will pay for itself. Once you consider that this generator stays with you even if you change your car, then you can be saving 35% on your fuel costs forever. In conclusion, HFS's hydrogen-on-demand generators offer an economical, creative, high-tech, but low-cost solution to high fuel expenses and harmful emissions. By using oxy-hydrogen as a complement to your petrol or diesel engine, you'll save money, reduce your carbon footprint, and upgrade your car's value all at the same time. So why wait? Make the switch today. Save yourself money. Be kinder to the planet. And join the movement towards taking the power away from the petrochem giants. Click on the Get Started button on the HFS homepage below this video, put your mileage and car registration in, and we'll give you a personalized view on exactly how much money you could be saving today. Visit us at hydrogen-fuelsaver.com, or email us at info@hydrogen-fuelsaver.com to learn more. Thanks for watching. Come and see us at HFS soon.